Hello, we will discuss about a DDL command now. So, why we are using a DDL command? So, DDL command basically we are using a command of four types: create, alter, drop, truncates. So, DDL like data definition language. The DDL command is create database schema and define the type and the structure of the database is stored in a database of SQL DDL command. So we are categorized four major things like create, alter, drop, truncate. First we will create a database. So this is a query of a create database name. Library DB is database name here. So create a query used to create a database or objects such as tables, view, store, procedure. But we'll discuss about how to create this database and how to create a tables now. So let's start how to create a database first. So let's execute the query of database. Sorry, this is a long query. Compis or create database. So we'll execute this query here. So now database is created here. Let refresh and let's see. This is a library DB and there is a no table found currently. So we will create a table also. So how to create a table? Let's see. So this is a DB name and create a tables like a book. We are creating a book table name and we are using a three columns: ID, name, price here. So ID we are using a data type integers and adding a primary key, and for 1-1 is like incremental value will accept. The primary key will not data type will not accept null values. It or its incremental value will accept. So let's create. So the table name is book table name is created here. So let's check. Select star from books. So here ID, name, price column is there. Now we are alter the command and we will add one more command here. So for example we are using alter command. So third one is alter here. So create is completed. Now alter is started here. So create database and create table name is completed. So now creating a table and adding created a table and adding a column name as ISBN, which is data type integers and it is not accepted a null value. So let's check. So for one extra column is updated. So now there is a 4 column here. So we have created a table name and added one more column, and now we will change the data type. So we have alter the table and alter column name. So there is an integer, but we are changing ISBN column to varchar. So let execute. So alter table name, where we are altering book table name, and where which column we are altering ISBN. So alter column ISBN varchar. What we are altering? Varchar 50. There was integer and now we are changing like a varchar 50. So let's see first and check like design. Okay, so what design is showing here? Let's see. So like this is integer, this is integer, this is varchar, this is integer, and there is a primary key. So this is accepted null value, so here is null is checked, and ISBN not accepted null value, so there is a not check. So let execute this one. This is showing int, but after executes command it will swing a varchar 50. So we have executed and we'll close and reopen the design. So here varchar is modified, altered from integer to varchar 50. So alter column has been varchar 50 is updated. So now we have alter, and we'll discuss third point is drop, how to drop. So we'll drop the database. How to drop? If we are dropping the database, then everything will drop. So database will remove. So not dropping data cannot drop directly because currently it's in use. Because new query window is already opened, so it will not drop. So let copy all query and remove this one, and open a new query window and not use this DB and use the master DB here and execute drop database library DB, and will the command completed successfully. Now we will open next drop table name here. Drop table name here because our database is all we have deleted a database, so we can't everything it's deleted. The table is also deleted, but need to create again a database, so that we can check how to drop table also. So let's create a table, and if table name everything need to be create same, and changing column here, and now alter table name, need to drop table name here. How to drop? So here drop database name, but now we are dropping table name. So table name is showing here IBINB here showing. Sorry, table name column is 4, column name is there, ID name price TB. But now if we are deleting the whole table, will delete here. So now table is showing books, then we are dropping the table, so it will already it removed, it's not showing here. Now table is deleted, but if we need to alter the table and drop the column name, alter the table and drop the column name with using alter drop column name. So now table is deleted, so again create a table. Let's see, we are creating a table, and so here our table is created and 4 column is there, but I need a drop only ISBN column, so only dropping the ISBN column. So if you are dropping only one column, so need to be use alter command. alter table name. So alter table books drop column ISBN. So here we are changing, alter means changing, change. Where we are changing, in books table we are changing. What we are changing? We are changing, like we are dropping ISBN column. Then execute here. So I think everything is completed from no. Now more need to be discussed. Truncate is there. So we'll discuss truncate also. So here truncate removing the truncate command using for removing the record. So here uh, 3 column is there in select query. ID, name, price is there, right? So insert into box. So ID is incremental already, so it will automatically insert the value, so no need to mention here anything. Only book name is need to be mentioned and the price name is need to be mentioned. So insert into, here we are inserting in table books. What value? The value name book, value name, the value is name like book and price is 100. So 3 row 3 row inserting like name A, book A, book B, book C, and price is different, 100, 200, 150. So let insert. So we have inserted a 3 records here, and now truncating the table of books. So truncate tables. So if you are truncating, then whole record will deleted, whole record will remove. Share whole record removed. If you are searching any record, then you cannot find any record from here. So now everything is completed. So we have discussed whole things in DDL command, create command, alter command, drop command, truncate commands. The video will useful for who is beginners and who is starting the career from career in SQL Server. So it is very useful. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching my video.